LinkedIn ads, LinkedIn audience, and we're going to define that audience using ChatGTP. So this is my LinkedIn account, and so for advertising, you'll go to the top right and click on advertising, and we can get it started. So I'm going to show you how to navigate to that. Then we start our audience. Right. So we choose an account. For you, you create a new account if you haven't created a new one yet. That is mine. Then you come to this. I'll just domain this. Tap on that. Then choose audiences. This is where we're going to create our audience. Now, you use this matched audience if you have customer data from your CRM. You have names, emails, phone numbers. Then you can just add over here, and LinkedIn will help match somebody who's close to you or who looks like your audience. But what I want to do, I want to use this side, the saved audience. So here you can create a new audience. I'm just going to shift to my account, because before you get there with my account, it takes a bit of a jumping through hoops. So right, so let's create an audience. Right, so here we are with the audience. First thing to do is just name it. I want to target tourism companies for my digital marketing business. I'm targeting CEOs, I'm targeting executives, marketing executives. So tourism audience. I just want to dismiss this. I'm mostly B2B, so LinkedIn is perfect for me. Right. So my initial audience is 6.2 million. So the number of users in Kenya. So I want to narrow it down. So I want to I'm going to choose Nairobi. I remove Kenya, I close that. Oh yeah. So here you have to be very careful. You choose people who are always in this, permanently live or work in this location, or people who are recent or visit. To save money, I'm going to choose on permanent location, and I'm going to close that. So that is fine. It gives you get the option of excluding certain places. I'm not going to bother with that for now. Your audience is set to English. English is fine for me. Right, then the buyer guides. These are general targeting done by LinkedIn, where the aim is just for sales conversion. So just pick of anything, people who are looking for support for administrative support, software, agriculture software, performance marketing, just a lot of stuff. So maybe you can choose like e-commerce or travel. Oh, none of the things I'm looking for. Or retail. Oh, no. So none of these ones are working for me now. So I'm going to close this. Now here's where I want to narrow it down. Like I said, there is 3.7 million. We are looking for tourism executive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to ChatGTP and ask it. Help me come up with LinkedIn audience for my digital marketing business. I am targeting for tourism industry. Help me find my ideal target market. So it says the industry should go for is hospitality, airlines, aviation, travel arrangements, leisure, travel, tourism, event services, museums. No, sports. No. So I'm going to start with that. I'm going to start with the industry. I'm going to choose hospitality. If I could spell properly. Hospitality, that's the areas. So I'm going to keep scrolling back up to see how many people are my target audience. So now I have 52,000. Okay, that is cool. I want to add airlines. That is brilliant. Okay, what else are we adding? We're adding travel arrangements. Hmm. Right then, leisure. Doesn't leisure. So what else is there? What options we have? Tourism. These all under the industries I'm looking for. So no, let me say tours. No, nothing there. Okay, then events and services. That is great. And then lastly, I'm gonna skip museums. I'm gonna skip sports and recreational. So because this is very broad, right? So let's go look at our audience. How big are we? We're at 91,000. That's still fine. So the next thing to check on is company size. What size of company I'm looking for? Um, I'm looking for a company that's big enough to hire me and that I can afford my services. So maybe between 11 to 500 employees. That's good with me. So I'm gonna close that. I'm not sure what I have after that. Right. So I'm gonna add. I'm gonna look for company size. Right. So 11 to 500 employees. So now here's a big difference. There is or and. So or selections could pick people who are either in the hospitality, airline, travel arrangements, events industry, in addition to companies that have either 11 to 50, 21 to 200 employees, 500 employees. Let me show you practically. Let me close that. So my audience size now is 460. I've had other one that I want companies in these industries that have this number of employees. So I'm gonna switch to and. So they must match hospitality industry and they have company that is big this big, 11 to 500 employees. Let me close that to see what options I have left. See, now we're down to 30,000, which is still cool with me. I'm still good at this. So now in the uh, I don't target everybody in the companies. I want to go for the tour operators, the safari companies. So we go company type. Categories. Right, so let's go. Mm, not that company. Mm, let's look for tour. Right, this is. I'm looking for company site. Oh, that's not available, so let's try Safaris. Member groups, company connections, no. Company names, no. Company names, no. Okay, let's keep all that. But I think if we get tours, company names, no, that didn't work. Right, so Safari's tour doesn't work. Boutique, no, 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 that will work. So the decision maker, the job title, I'm gonna look for. Uh, I can have all of these, but I want to choose. Huh, let's go to job titles. Company demographics, job experience. Yeah, they are my job titles. So I'm gonna go for my manager, CEO first. Managing director, marketing officer, co-founder, board member is fine, country manager is fine, founder is also fine, operating officer is fine, president is fine. Uh, Financial officer, maybe. Right, so CEO, executive assistant is fine. Managing director, executive assistant, that's fine. These ones might be involved in the decision making process. Or there may be gatekeepers. Deputy is fine. Principal is fine. Advisor, no. Right, after CEO, who else do we go for? We go for founder, but it's done. Marketing director. Let's do marketing now. Not intern for sure. Executive. Mm, Vice president. Head of marketing. Marketing director. Director of marketing operations. This fine. This fine. This fine. This is fine. Let's see how big our audience has grown. Oh, 46,000. That's still fine. So again, this is or. That means everybody who is in hospitality and everybody who is the board. So I'm gonna make it an and thing as well. See how much it narrows down. So now we are at 30,000. Oh, 1200 up. Beautiful. I know you need a minimum of 12, 50, 30,000, 50,000 for you to run, but we shall see. To senior, no, I don't need that because I already have this. Skills, I don't need the skills because I already have those on the here. Luxury travel, I don't think we have interest. That's for Facebook. Yeah. Right, so we close that. We close. So far I have 1200, that's fine. So I'm gonna copy all of these. And I ask ChatGPT. So I'm gonna skip what is working. I'm gonna go to what's not working. Too small. So this is an issue I might need to expand. Yeah, I don't mind this one. This is okay. Ooh. Okay, this one's still okay. No, I don't add these ones. Yeah, this is fine. So with that, I will save my tourism. I'm gonna run a campaign in the future. I will run it with you guys if you indulge me. And with that, I would say goodbye and have a wonderful day.